Okay, in stock now, 2025, on a 75 registration, Volkswagen Amarok Panamericana. This is the 3-litre V6 with our full MASV Black Edition styling. Finished in midnight black metallic. It's a delivery mileage, new but registered Amarok Panamericana with our full kit. So full gloss black grills to the front, black badging, got the MASV bonnet badging. Bonnet vents, front nudge bar in gloss black, 6-piece smooth wide arch kit, and these stunning mesh design gloss black alloy wheels. This is a new design wheel we started using, look absolutely stunning with a lovely concave to them as well, paired up with the Renegade Radar RT tyres that we use. And the Panamericanas are the best model to go for on the Amaroks. 5-year warranty, 5-year service plan, roadside assistance, a beautiful cricket tan interior. We've got the window deflectors, gloss black painted roof rails, wing mirrors, door handles, 360-degree cameras, black side steps, got the Panamericana badging there, matte black rear roll bar. And this one's also got the factory tow bar, which is detachable. Smoked rear tail lights, gloss black rear bumper. Fitted load liner in the back, and we've also got a 3-pin socket there. All the lashing points. V6 badge even painted in gloss black. All the little details on these which makes them stand out. One of the nicest trucks you can buy in the UK, absolutely. Lovely to drive, 3-litre V6 with the 10-speed gearbox. So we've got the factory rubber mats on the Panamericana, black dashboard, tan stitching, full black leather with the tan stitching and the tan cricket duotone leather, and the armrest lid there. Multifunction steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, digital speedo, only 300 delivery miles, 10-speed gearbox, wireless charging pad, large infotainment system there, heated seats, Apple CarPlay, all the sat nav, everything on there. 4-wheel drive settings, permanent 4-wheel drive, you can go into rear, high and low range. We've also got rear diff lock, which is exclusive to the Panamericana only. If you ever take one of these off-road. Premium audio, we've got the Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting, electric mirrors, the list goes on. Really good spec. In the back, little fold down armrest. We've got some more power points in the rear as well. Tan leather on the door cards. It's a great spec inside, they drive fantastic, 3-litre V6, 5-year warranty. VAT qualifying, LED headlamps. These are the IQ lights, so VW's premium lighting system with daytime running lights. In stock now. We've also got grey available. 75 plate, very hard to get at the moment. Give me a call, 0777 111 2040. View online, www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thank you for watching.